Welcome to this BoldDesk AI Agent tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to use a BoldDesk AI Agent to automatically manage Twilio SMS conversations within BoldDesk. I created and published a General Queries AI Agent in a previous video, linked in the card above and description below. I'll be using this agent in this demo. First, navigate to the Admin module, open the Chat section, and select the SMS option under Channels. Select Manage to open the list of your support phone numbers. Here, you can enable the AI agent when adding a new number or editing an existing one. Click on Edit and navigate to the SMS section. Then, enable the AI agent assistance option and choose the handover method. This option automatically assigns customer conversations to the selected AI agent when they start, while the manual handover option allows you to transfer conversations to the AI agent each time yourself using workflows. Set your business hours and click Save. A phone number can only be mapped to one AI agent. Now, when a customer reaches out to this number, the AI agent will automatically respond to them. If you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.